Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday, where we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. I am culture reporter Tim Marson, and this week we've got a special one. We are air frying mozzarella sticks. Mozzarella sticks typically follow a pretty basic, pretty standard procedure with a couple twists here or there. What I've got here are cheese sticks, and here we have some all-purpose flour. I've seasoned it with salt and pepper. Got a couple eggs, whipped up, beaten up with, again, salt and pepper to season it. And I've got panko breadcrumbs because I usually prefer panko. You can use any kind, your standard, whatever. And again, season with salt and pepper. You can season with whatever you like. I just did what's standard, but you know, go nuts, do whatever you want to do. It's mozzarella sticks, it's fried cheese, it's not gonna be bad. You're gonna take a cheese stick, you're gonna drop it in flour, then you're gonna drop it in egg. Then you're gonna drop it into the breadcrumbs. Hold on, you're not putting the air fryer yet. You're going back to the egg and back into the breadcrumb. Everybody on TikTok or online or whatever thinks you have to do the double breading for extra crunch, so we're gonna do that. Why not? It's extra crunch. So we'll do a little tutorial for you here. Now, if you're a pro, you wanna keep one wet hand and one dry hand. I can never do it, but I'm gonna try for the people at home, and you can laugh at me as I try to remember which is the wet and which is the dry hand. So here we go. We have a cheese stick coated in flour. So that's my dry hand. I'm gonna drop it into the egg. Look at this. We're gonna get the wet hand going. We're gonna drop it into breadcrumbs. We're gonna dry hand. Now the reason you do this is it's kind of prevents you from getting these like weird gloopy breaded fingers as you go through this process. But again, I will mess it up at some point. All right, we're going back into the egg mixture. We're gonna wet hand, and then back into the panko where we get it nice and coated, because that's where you're gonna get that crunch that you want from a mozzarella stick. And then all we're gonna do is spray down a basket and get it in there and just let it prep until we're ready to cook all of our mozzarella sticks. Okay, so we have some breaded cheese sticks in the air fryer. I'm gonna give them a little extra spray for good luck from far away so we don't blow any of the coating off. And we're gonna air fry at about 360, 370 degrees for about 9 or 10 minutes, basically until we see that the coating has taken on some color, and then we should be good to go. All right, so our mozzarella sticks have been air frying for about 8-9 minutes or so, and they've got some nice color to them, and we leaked some mozzarella cheese everywhere, but don't worry about that. It's fried cheese, it's gonna happen. I'm gonna try to gingerly place these here so we don't lose any more cheese. And they don't look too bad. We got some color, got some breading on there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit back, admire these, let them cool, and then give them a taste. And we're gonna dip and have a taste. Not bad. It's hot, crunchy cheese. You'd have to really try to mess that up. It's really, really good. If you want to, I might actually go with regular breadcrumbs instead of panko next time, because you might leak a little less cheese. I think we lost some cheese along the way, but yeah, it's hot melty cheese and it took 10 minutes. Not bad.